In this video, I will walk you through a detailed review and comparison of the Amazon Ember 504 series to help you decide if it is the right smart TV for your home setup. When comparing the base experience to the fully loaded bundle, there are several trade-offs to consider. While the standalone unit is an affordable entry point for 4K streaming, the real contrast comes when you look at the accessories available at checkout. For instance, the standard speakers provide a basic experience, but comparing them side by side with the Fire TV soundbar shows a massive jump in quality. The soundbar adds DTS Virtual X and Dolby Audio for a virtual surround experience that the TV alone just cannot match. The standout feature of this specific 50-inch model is how it integrates with the Amazon ecosystem. You can simplify your setup significantly by choosing the frustration-free option, which links the device to your account before it even ships. When looking at the price point of $457, you have to weigh the value of the optional 4-year protection plan, which allows for up to 3 claims with no deductibles. For those deciding between a standard stand setup or a wall mount, the official tilting mount provides a low-profile look, sitting just 2 inches from the wall. This model wins for users who want a seamless, all-in-one smart home experience without the hassle of complex configurations. If you want the best audio, the soundbar is a necessary add-on. Thanks for watching our review. Let us know in the comments if you prefer the Ember series over other Fire TVs. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.